Hello, world. Well, today's a sad day for me. Been a little upset past day. My little cat, little bird, he passed away this weekend, and pretty much it hurts a lot. Still have my other cats, and they kind of been looking around for him. Wish it wouldn't have happened like that, but I guess that's the way life goes. You know, just not a happy day for me, world. Got a rainy day outside. Yuck. Uh, let's see, what else can we talk about? Let's talk about something different. Let's talk about I had someone at work the other day who usually gives me rides to and from work, but for some reason over the past few months she stopped doing so. And the other night at work she told him that she would give me a ride home if I begged her. I'm sorry, I'm not begging nobody. Hello? I'm not begging nobody for nothing. I don't owe her nothing. She don't owe me nothing. So I refuse to beg her, and I guess I have to assume that she's just a bungholio. Excuse me while I do that. Tell you, I don't understand why people can be so hateful and mean, and you know, please, I don't know why do people have to be hateful and mean, trying to cause people problems, trying to get them fired from their job. uh, I just think it's ridiculous. uh, well, one day it'll all come back to her. Everything you do comes back to you, whether it's good or bad, and when it's bad stuff, well, but let's see. Let's think of something good to talk about, not crazy stuff. Um, I'm watching Ghost Rider right now. It's a great show. I love that movie. You can probably hear it in the background, but and yes, I'm smoking, even though I'm trying to quit. But like I said, the past few days have been rough. Uh, anyway, so how is everyone on the YouTube? Hope everyone's doing good. Glad to see y'all out there. I'm getting a few responses now, every now and then. I'd like to get a few more. Um, check out some of my videos. They're pretty good. A little bit corny, but nothing is scripted. I don't write nothing down unless it's something that I need to remember to say or something I need to put on there. But come on by and see me sometime, and we'll have fun on the YouTube. All right. Till later. See you on the YouTube.